Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU presents, almost dropped the box, Fire&Nice subscription. I'd go all the way around, but my address is on the other side, and well, I don't need to be showing that off. So Fire&Nice subscription, I believe this is their August box. It's $17 a month. It is on Cratejoy. I believe right now they have a $5 off for your first month. I believe it's your first month. I didn't really check on that because it's a Cratejoy thing coupon. So I will link the Cratejoy website down below, along with the link for the Fire&Nice subscription. But they always have great coupons for the Fire&Nice, for any kind of box on Cratejoy and Fire&Nice. I think it was like a $5 off. I don't know if it's a $5 off for a 3-month, and or is it a $5 off for just 1 month. But this is a $17 a month box, and let's open up. So there it is. So it comes with a piece of paper, and it tells you, a little about the box, not the prices like individually, but what's in there. So I'm over here all like, anyway, they have 2 different variations. They have a large box and a small box. Everything is handcrafted, hand poured, I believe. Everything's made by them. So it says, welcome to the Fire&Nice subscription box. Hello, this month we have put together some artisan handcrafted self-care products in a fun fruit theme. We hope you enjoy. So in the larger boxes, I think that's $30 a month. You will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. It says plus more. So the smaller boxes, which is the $17 box, it includes smaller versions of some of the large box items, including bath bomb, candle, soap, lip balm, and face toner. If you love the box, please leave a review, and I always do. I love their boxes, and that's kind of cute. So it's fruit themed. Hello, August. Hola, Agosto. It does come with these little, so cute. They come with squigglies, which are so fun. Put those to the side. Oh, it's so cute. I'm so glad I got this box. This is actually really, really nice. I think I have Ghost in my house because I keep hearing things like right here next to me. There's nobody here. Anyways, I digress. So let's look. Oh, I was going to save that one for last because that's adorable. So their candles are awesome. I've lit their candles before. I've actually gone through their candles, and they're really nice. So it says 2-ounce hand poured vegan soy candle made in. They're right next door. They're in Indiana, and we're over here in Illinois. This is fresh strawberry. Oh, this smells so good. Oh, that's the. Let me show you there. Fresh strawberry, and that's the inside. It does. This smells, I just want to eat it. Smells so good. Smells so good. Yum, 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 yum. And when I lit their candles before, they make the whole room smell wonderful. Okay, so that's one, and that's a 2-ounce. So I guess the large box will have like a bigger scented candle of the same one. Okay, and then we have a kiwi watermelon handcrafted artisan soap. Can I smell it? It is cute. It looks just like watermelon. There you go. It even has like the black seeds to replicate the kiwi, and I guess the seeds in the watermelon. I'm trying to smell it. I can't, and I don't have anything to cut it open with. I can't. That's a 2-ounce. I'm like trying to eat it, but that's so cute. So that comes with that. Oh, what's this? Watermelon scented lip balm. Ooh, coconut oil, beeswax, sweet almond oil, avocado oil, mica, titanium dioxide, magnesium violet, iron oxide, and flavor oil. I don't smell anything. Oh, you know what? I was cutting cilantro earlier, And so my hands smell like cilantro. And I've washed them like 10 times. I don't want to use it because I might give this away. So stay tuned. I'm putting like a little pile right now together for some stuff. You know what? I might put it together with the Hello Kitty that I showed in my last video, that I put Swarovski crystals on. So I might put that with the Hello Kitty giveaway. So stay tuned for that. It's still coming out. Yep, I think I will. I think I will put this together with the Hello Kitty, and then I'll have a few more items to give away as well. The next item is a Melon Rose Beauty Toner and Makeup Setting Spray. Spray onto face is needed. Use as a pH balancing toner or to refresh dry skin. Water, aloe vera, glycerin, rose flower extract fragrance, and some color. Oh, this is so cool. Let's see. And you could tell like they hand poured their stuff or whatever, because they kind of made their bag to fit. That's actually very good. They've made a bag to fit their bottles. So one, it doesn't leak into the box and make a mess. And two, there's no waste. You know what I mean? So they might have gotten a few. I don't know why I brought that up, but oh, this, if you don't like roses, you probably won't like this. Melon Rose. This smells good. It says Tuscan Bathworks. Oh, how cute. Oh my god, they make like the cutest things. So that's the label, right? Hopefully you can see that. And then do you see the bottom of that? Do you see the little watermelon slices? That is so adorable. Let me see look at that. Can you see the little watermelon pieces in there? They float around. I'm gonna put some on. Oh, it smells so good. I smell melon and I smell roses. This smells so good. Did I like get it all over? Did it make me look glowy now? I didn't film this look, but this is the Morphe palette with Jeffree Star collab. But I didn't film it. So let me know if you want to see this look film. If you want me to film the look, I will do that. I am still doing my 7 days, but I will give it back to, we'll get to that later. So this is the last item, and this is about the cutest thing ever. Well, not the cutest thing, because I'm kind of cute. A you know, for a lot of years, my daughter used to say water lemon. Sandra, Mom, I want some water lemon. I want some water lemon. So now I'm saying it. Watermelon lemonade bath bomb with cocoa butter drizzle. Add entire bomb to warm bath water. Okay, so that's the label. Now wait till you see the front, you guys. Isn't that so adorable? They made it into, you can, oh, it smells good. It smells really good. This is so cute. I kind of wish I would have got the bigger box, but that's okay. I really gotta watch what I'm doing. This was actually a surprise because I thought I had stopped the box. Only do for budgetary reasons, like nothing else. Not because the box isn't worth it or anything. It's just for budgetary reasons for myself. And then I went to check my bank account and bam, I saw Fire&Nice, and I'm like, oh, I forgot. And then I was like super excited because she was showing the stuff off on Instagram, and I'm like, I can't wait to get my box. And she's like, are you sure? I was like, what? What? And I go, well, yeah, the payment. I go, well, maybe I'll get the box later because they just took out the payment. And then that's what she explained to me, that like, no, that's for next month. But she was kind enough to send me a box this month, so I'm greatly appreciative. Thank you very much for doing that. This was actually really cute. So melon rose beauty toner. That's so cute. The little watermelon slices in there. And then I got the kiwi watermelon soap, glycerin soap, which is good because I kind of want to use that. That's good. Then we got this awesome bath bomb, so adorable. I don't really like to take baths because they kind of gross me out, but when I get bath bombs like this, I really want to try them out. And then this fresh strawberry candle. smells so good. Like, ugh, I want to eat it. You know, if Jocelyn was here, she'd be like, Mom, stop it. So that's everything that came in this box. Again, it's $17. The larger one, it comes with more. It comes with just about what we saw here and bigger, and a lip balm and more. So thank you very much, Fire&Nice. This was a great subscription box. I really truly appreciate it. Hopefully I can get September's box so I can bring that to you. But like I said, it's not, I wouldn't stop the box because it's not a good box. It's not worth it. It definitely is worth it. I think this is cute, especially if you want to give somebody, if you're looking for a nice little gift to give someone for their birthday, or just because this is a cute little box to give. And like I said, they have a coupon. I don't know if that coupon applies to the small box or the large box, but like I said, I'll link everything down below. But thank you for hanging out with me. I truly, truly appreciate it. Let me know in the comment section down below if you want to see this look done with the, I did use the Morphe palette. And that's it. So, oh, we did get a lip balm, duh, because I'm putting this in the giveaway with the Hello. I don't know where the Hello Kitty's at, but it's gonna go in. That's why I don't want to swatch it or anything. I sniff, but I smell the cilantro from my fingers. So yeah, it did come with a lip balm. I think the bigger box comes in it. Anyways, I digress. I'm like rattling out. I had too much sugar. I actually had a Red Bull, which I shouldn't have drank. So that's everything that came in this cute box. I really adore it. If you want to try it out, I will link it down below. And that's it. So thank you very much for hanging out with me. I truly appreciate it. Until next time, hasta laterz.